welcome to my kettlebell class. Okay, we're just going to start off with a warm-up and then get into the sessions. So each one is going to be 3 exercises and there's 4 different sections. You're going to do 30 seconds with a 10-second rest twice on each exercise. Remember, if you need to take a break, pause the video, make sure you drink, okay? Take as much rest as you need. Get ready, we're going to go for warm-up. Okay, ready? Starting with a march on spot. Get those arms moving, get those knees up, body moving, warm the legs up. Another 10 seconds of this, keep that body moving, get those arms going. Okay, get ready, you're going to bring your heel up to bum, going to turn side so you can see me. Remember, if you only bring it up to there, that's fine. Just keep those legs moving as high as you can. Warm that body up. I'm just going to turn back to the front. Another 10 seconds of this one. Really get those warm legs going. Ready, you're going to lift your knees up to the front. As high as you can go, really stretch. Stretch this up, get those legs nice and warm. Another 10 seconds of this one. Okay, ready? You're going to just open up your chest. Palms together, open that chest. Nice, keep breathing, warm these arms and chest up. Okay, open up your palms up to the ceiling. Same thing. Warm everything up. Ready? And you're just going to go up to the ceiling, back down. Keep breathing. The next one's going to be waist twists. Ready? So twist, back to middle, twist. If I turn to side, you can see me, I'm twisted all the way. Ready, next one, you're just going to do a windmill. Okay, so if you're up here, that's as far as you can go, that's absolutely fine. But if you can reach all the way down to your toes, that would be brilliant. Really twist that torso. And then back to a march. Last one, I just want you to stretch the side, inner thigh, and then the other side. And then last one, I just want you to put your hands on the base of your back, squeeze your elbows together, and shake out. Grab a drink, and then we'll get started on the set. Okay, first 3 exercises. The equipment you're going to need then is obviously a kettlebell if you've got one. If you haven't got a kettlebell, you can use a dumbbell, you can use a milk bowl, but obviously take the milk out, put some water in, you don't want that going on in the kitchen. Or cans of beans, anything that you can hold and use for our session and swing and do all the exercises, okay? But obviously I'm going to use a kettlebell. So, got my kettlebell here. The first 3 exercises are all to do with normal kettlebell exercise swings. Okay, so the first one, we're going to do 30 seconds, 10 seconds rest. Again, if you please do so. Okay, so 30 seconds, 10 seconds, same exercise, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, then I'll show you the next one. So your first one is just down the middle, up, down the middle, up. So if I show you the side, I go down between the legs, slight bend in the knees, up to eye level, back down. Eye level, back down. Okay, ready? First 30 seconds. Off we go. Really squeeze your glute muscles as you come up. Nice and easy. Strong core. Keep breathing. Halfway. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Same exercise again. 5 seconds, get ready. We're going to do it on the side this time so you can see me. Off we go. Just up to eye level, back down. Squeeze those glutes to come up. Hips forward. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Well done. Next one's going to be your left arm. Okay, so exactly the same thing. But I'm going to put my hand on my hip. I feel this is most comfortable. You can have it dangling, it's up to you. But we're just going to do one arm. Same technique, just with one arm. Okay, so 30 seconds. Off we go. Up to eye level, squeeze these hips. Well done, keep pushing. 10 seconds left, you've got one more on this side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax, good. Okay, same arm, one more round. We're going to turn to the side so you can see me. 3, 2, 1, off we go. Up to eye level, squeeze those hips. Good, keep pushing. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. Okay, swapping over to the right arm. Same thing again. Get the hand on the hip. Eye level down. Ready? Off we go. Good. Keep breathing. Strong core. Push those hips. Got 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. We're going to turn side again for the next one, but the same arm. 3, 2, 1, off we go. So really squeeze those hips, strong core. Keep it going, doing really well. 10 seconds. Come on, last bit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And brilliant. Okay, grab a drink, rest. keep going. Got 10 seconds left. I like this one. 5 seconds. And relax, good. Okay, another 30 seconds on this swing. Get yourself ready. And off we go. Remember, keep those elbows in, shoulders back. Make sure you focus on this muscle. Keep breathing, smiling, enjoying. Just take the time to see me again. Seconds left. Come on, last push on this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant, well done. Okay, your next exercise is going to be tricep extension. So, if you see me from the front, above your head, it goes all the way back to your neck and back up. So, side position, and then I'll show you from the back. And up. Okay, so throughout these rounds I'll turn myself so you can see my different positions, but 30 seconds, 10 seconds, twice again. Get ready, off we go. So this is the front view. You can see that my triceps don't move, the only thing that's moving is the forearms. Side position. Got 10 seconds. Good, keep squeezing. Strong core, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, so I'll start from behind this time so you can see it from the behind angle. Get ready. 5, 3, 2, 1, off we go. Try not to whack your head, but just nice halo. Seeing as it's 10 seconds. I can feel this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other way. Gotta try and remember the direction you're going. Good. Keep breathing. Strong core. 10 seconds left. You should feel this one burning. I know I do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Grab a drink. 2 more sets left. Little bit of legs now. Okay, so you're going to do squat figure of 8 for your first one. So, again, 2 rounds of these. And what you're going to do is you're going to squat slightly, you bend your legs, keep your back straight. So if you don't bend, if you bend like that, you're not going to quite get the kettlebell underneath. So you need to make sure you bend so you can really swing it underneath your leg and not get your bum through. Okay, first 30 seconds, off we go. Keep a nice bounce, try and make sure your back is straight, it's quite hard. If your back does start hurting, just do normal squats. That's it, keep that going. It does burn. You've got 10 seconds left. Like I said, do normal squats if you need to, because it does hurt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more of these. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep a nice bounce, strong core. Should really feel your quads working. That's it. Keep that going. Keep that going. 10 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Good. Right. Your next one then is your legs going to be together. So you're going to do a narrow squat. So you're like that. Okay? You're going to have it in your first arm, touch the floor, swap sides, touch the floor. Okay? Nice and simple. So remember, keep your back nice and straight, knees together. Okay, ready? First 30 seconds, off we go. Swap as you're standing. Nice and strong. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Keep that going. Good. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Good. One more of those. I'll do it side view this time so you can see it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Good. Keep those legs together. Keep that core nice and strong. Make sure your shoulders arm their back. 10 seconds. squeezing here, that's all that matters. If you need to drop the kettlebell for this one and do that, that is just as good. Okay, so ready? We're going to do our left side first. 30 seconds, off we go. Squeeze. Squeeze. Really push your leg back to this position. Squeeze. Good. Keep breathing on this one. Good. Keep going. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good. Same side, then we're doing the other side. 5 seconds, get ready, and go. Good, keep going. 10 seconds. 5, and relax. Other side now. Okay, get ready, off we go. Squeeze. Make sure the leg goes back out. Squeeze. Good. Keep breathing. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Get ready. Off we go. Last one of these. Remember, if it gets too hard, drop the weight. I know I feel like I need to. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Okay, the next one is going to be, you're going to touch the floor, press up to the ceiling. Touch the floor, press up to the ceiling. Again, if you need to adapt this one, just go as far as you can. Okay? Or drop the weight, try and go as far down the floor and just press it up to the ceiling as far as you can. Ready? First 30 seconds, off we go. Keep those breathing, work those muscles. Good, keep going. It's your last one, 10 seconds. One more round of this. 5 seconds. And relax. Last one of those. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Keep breathing. Push them out. Come on, last one. 10 seconds left, last push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Well done, grab a drink. Okay, last bit, some nice stretches to cool down. So move the kettlebells out of the way. Let's start with a nice tricep stretch, pull it across. So you can hold it on your forearm, hold it here, don't hold on the elbow. If you need more of a stretch, bend the arm, pull it in. that. And at the side. Palms into the base of the back, squeeze the elbows together. Onto the legs, just want you to put leg nice and straight, toes up, lean on that bent one or lean on the wall.